Hello everyone, welcome to RUPINDER'S online classes and courses. This is class 6 and topic for today is special tips to learn English quickly and speak fluently. So as far as the tips or the steps of learning English are concerned, the first and foremost is start using words of English. Yes, we all have to start using words of English, and you must have noted this, that even the aged persons, those who are not educated, even they use it. So feel happy, feel glad that we all are done with this first step, even if we are non-English speakers. So we all use words of English like thank you, sorry, morning, evening, I miss you, such kind of words we all use. Then the second step is, and the second special tip is, try to speak simple sentences and begin to form new ones. So in the previous 5 classes, we all have discussed certain rules of forming simple sentences, and I have given you certain sentences which are going to form the base of your English speaking. And you all have to keep on speaking those simple sentences, and once you will be familiarize yourself with those sentences, definitely you'll equip yourself in making new sentences on the basis of that formula that I gave you: subject, helping verb and object. So coming to the next step and next special tip, that is the third tip. That is, maximize the use of English expressions, that is, phrases and proverbs. For example, we all know tit for tat, honesty is the best policy, and many other such kind of proverbs and phrases, and we have to utilize them. We have to fill our native language with those words and phrases from English, and we have to maximize the use. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, हमें words use करने हैं, फिर हमने उन words जो हमने इंग्लिश में बोलने हैं अपने नेटिव लैंग्वेज में, चाहे वो पंजाबी है, हिंदी है, गुजराती है, मराठी है, वट एवर लैंग्वेज वी आर कंफर्टेबल इन एंड वट एवर इज आर नेटिव लैंग्वेज, हमारी मातृभाषा कोई भी हो, we have to maximize the use of English expressions in our native language, and definitely you will see that the things are going really favorable and you are learning English and you are feeling very comfortable in English too. So the fourth step is, don't hesitate. हमें बिल्कुल भी हिचकिचाना नहीं है, हमें ये नहीं डरना that somebody is going to make fun of us, हमें ये नहीं सोचना that somebody is going to find faults with us. Don't hesitate, make mistakes, dare it. Yes, we all have to be very open with this kind of thing, that yes, if we are going to speak in English, we are going to make mistakes. And if you are going to make mistakes, only then you are going to improve them. And this is what you have to do. Make mistakes and improve them daily. Fifth point, and the fifth very important step in learning English very quickly and speak it fluently, is to enrich your vocabulary. हमें अपने वर्ड्स को, हमें इंग्लिश में बहुत सारे वर्ड्स आने चाहिए, हिंदी में हम इसे कहते हैं शब्दकोश. सो वी हैव टू एनरिच. अगर हमें आज इंग्लिश में 10 वर्ड्स पता हैं, कल हमें 15 पता होने चाहिए. एंड इफ यू आर वेरी क्विक, यू शुड लर्न इट बाय मल्टीपल्स. आज 10 पता है, कल 20, परसों 30, 50, and definitely within a month you will see that the graph of your growth is going higher and higher. So enrich your vocabulary. कैसे करनी है ये? By reading whatever is available. You can read an English newspaper, you can read your favorite books, you can even read the billboards and the hoardings. Yes friends, reading never goes wasted. चाहे आप किसी का बोर्ड ही क्यों नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, you are going to learn something out of it. So then listening to English channels, listening at least for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes daily. Listening to some English song will not be the first option, I must say. Some news channels, some advertisement in English, and then watching the content available in English. It can be cartoons, it can be an English movie, it can be anything, whatever pleases you, whatever you feel comfortable with. So reading, listening and watching the English content, that whatever is available is going to do really good thing for you. Then sixth point is start thinking in English. You have to start thinking in English, because the idea that I have to learn English. So any idea is the basic ingredient of every project. And here the idea, the process of start thinking in English is going to work wonders for you. And that is the basic ingredient of the entire English learning process. So this was all about part 1 of today's class, and in second part we are going to discuss some vocabulary words to enrich your vocabulary so that you never fumble while using the correct word at correct point of time. Welcome to the second part of class 6, and in this section we are going to learn some vocabulary words, and this is really going to be very useful for you all. So the first word is commence. Yes, to start, to begin, शुरू करना, कुछ शुरू करना. So the very first sentence says, let us commence the learning. Let us learn. Let us commence. आओ शुरू करें learning. Let us commence the learning. Second word is stubborn. Stubborn, जिसका मतलब है जिद्दी, adamant. Or we can say tough-minded. So, in addition to the 10 words which you are going to learn, even the meanings, they too add to your vocabulary today. Adamant and tough-minded, stubborn को कहते हैं जिद्दी. So, my brother is my subject here. My brother is as stubborn as a mule. Mule के जितना stubborn है वो. This is a phrase in English. Excuse me. The next word is insanity. Insanity, पागलपन, madness or absurdity, foolishness, पागलपन उसका. This is sheer insanity on her part. उसके पार्ट पे बहुत बड़ी बेवकूफ़ी, बहुत बड़ा पागलपन है ये उसके लेवल पे. अगर उसने कोई ये काम ऐसा किया है, so this is sheer insanity on her part. उसके लेवल पे बहुत बड़ी बेवकूफ़ी है ये. Next word fourth is exigency, which means some compulsion or some emergency. So there is no exigency, कोई compulsion, कोई ऐसी emergency नहीं है. So just relax. There is no exigency, so just relax. Fifth word is comprehension. Comprehension, समझ. That means understanding or to grasp, कुछ समझना. एक और comprehension भी होता है, which the young children usually have in the papers. They have to solve it. आपको question answers find out करने होते हैं. That comprehension is again another usage. एक word की कितनी सारी usages हो सकती हैं. So to grasp, then it is beyond my comprehension is the sentence. ये मेरी समझ से बहुत परे है. मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा ये क्या बात हो रही है, लोग क्या कह रहे हैं. Next word is renowned. Renowned का मतलब है famous और eminent. Well known भी कहते हैं हम इसे. So the sentence is, my subject is Dr. Neha Dixit. So Dr. Neha Dixit is a renowned dentist. Dr. Neha Dixit एक मशहूर dentist, दांतों की डॉक्टर है, दांतों की माहिर डॉक्टर है. Next word orthodox. Orthodox हम यूज करते हैं उन लोगों के लिए जो बहुत रिजिड माइंडेड होते हैं. हम एट टाइम्स इनको नैरो माइंडेड भी बोल देते हैं. सो दे आर वेरी कन्वेंशनल, नॉट वेरी ओपन फॉर एनी चेंज, कन्वेंशनल एंड कंजर्वेटिव. सो दे आर नॉट वेरी ओपन. सो हरनीत, माई सेंटेंसेस, हरनीत डज नॉट लाइक ऑर्थोडॉक्स पीपल. उसको बहुत पुराने विचारों वाले या जो बहुत रिजिड हैं, दोज हु आर नॉट ओपन टू एनी चेंज, ऐसे लोगों को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करती. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. ऑप्टिमिस्टिक का मतलब आशावादी. दैट मीन्स होपफुल एंड प्रोग्रेसिव, जो बहुत आगे का सोचते हैं. सो द सेंटेंस इज, पूजा is very optimistic by nature. So आप कोई भी word use कर सकते हैं. You can. My father is very optimistic. My brother, my friend, or the entire system of beliefs which the people have is very optimistic by nature. So it can be anything. You can make any sentence, but yes, it's always better to begin with the simpler ones. The next is miser. Miser, कंजूस. Another word can be penny pincher. So वो बंदा जो बहुत ज़्यादा पैसों को दबा के रखता है, जोड़ के रखता है, बट यूज़ नहीं करेगा, that is miser. और money grubber, जोड़ के रखेगा, grub करी जाएगा. So sentences, Meenakshi is not at all. She is not at all a miser. वो बिल्कुल भी miser नहीं है. So the last but not the least word for today's vocabulary is essential, which means necessary, zaruri, vital. So our friends are an essential part of our lives. हमारे दोस्त हमारी लाइफ का बहुत ही ज़रूरी अहम हिस्सा हैं. That is all for today. आज के लिए इतने ही words. Hope you are going to like the video. You are going to learn some new words, and we are definitely going to learn much more in the upcoming videos, and the next video again is going to be very, very beneficial for you all. That is all for today. And one thing which I keep on repeating as a teacher, practice well, share the video with others. See you soon. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I post a video. Keep learning, stay safe, stay healthy.